Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, but what we'll be doing, it may work actually on Chrysler 200 since both of them share the same platform. In today's video, guys, we'll show you where the sound amplifier is located, how to get to it and how to replace it. Stay with us and we'll cover all that today, guys. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos, guys. We take them completely apart. And why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, guys, for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can do all that, and get a really good price and save even more money. Now, what we need to do, guys, this is the Dodge Dart here that we're working on. As I said, it has many components that are about the same. So if your sound amplifier doesn't work on your Dodge Dart, guys, doesn't matter which system you have, if you're trying to find the amplifier, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. First, guys, we need to go ahead and remove the glove box. So stay with us, we'll go ahead and do that. We'll remove the glove box and we'll continue after that. So let me show you guys, what we need to do now. Pretty simple. Here underneath, guys, you have one cover. This cover is underneath, that you need to remove. It's actually this way. Check it out now. It's like that. Under the glove box, it goes all the way in, and you need to remove it by removing these two clips. One clip right here, plastic clip, and one on the other side, guys. Over there. How we remove that? With a clip remover too. You just go, pry it, and it comes out. And this thing is out of there now, completely out. Next, guys, we have that thing underneath where it actually puts the heat, the blower motor fan outlet for the feet, guys, for the footwell right here. This one has one clip that you need to remove. This clip is located, like that, right here. So you need to get that clip out. You get the center piece out and then you pull it out and that piece comes out. You just pull it out and it's out of the way. Next, guys, right here we need to remove that cover. So let's hold the camera quick. Let me come here. It has 5 clips, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we need to get a 7mm socket, guys. We open the glove box and right here, let me show you now. I need to get the camera to be able to show you. Right here we have 2 screws on top. And this one I need to get it this way going. One is out, one right there in this corner. Perfect. So these 2 are out now, guys. Let me show you what else we need to do. We're going to video from right here now. If you grab your glove box on this side, you will not be able to come out. That hinge will not come out because there is a device that prevents the glove box from dropping down. Ours is broken and we'll show you that in the beginning, towards the end, excuse me. What you guys need to do, you're going to grab that glove box. Let me show you now. You're going to lift that thing up a little bit to come out. And then it comes out like that. Now let's bring the camera down. Perfect. And right here 3 more screws, guys. 1, 2, 3. Now our glove box here actually came out because that thing is broken, as I said, but otherwise it will be like that. So at that point, just close it like that, guys, and from that point I think you have 5 bolts that you need to remove. I think it was 5, or maybe it was more. Let me see. I'll go ahead and remove the glove box, but I'll explain, we will explain where those bolts are. Grab on this side, right here, grab on this side and pull the clips out of here. So at the same time, let me pass the camera, like that. I can pull the glove box from here and then from over there as well. This is it, guys. Here you will have one wire that you will need to disconnect. This is the plug-in, guys. Ours, I disconnected it because I cannot show you with the camera. You reach it from underneath right here and you're going to go ahead and disconnect it. Now, let me show you guys where all the bolts and the screws are located now. So let me show you those two clips that I told you, they attach right here on the glove box and the other side over there. The screws, guys, that we removed now, they're on the very back on the bottom. You access them through here, guys. Almost impossible for me to show you. You have 1, 2, 3 screws here. Then you have one screw right there. And you have another one over here. And then, guys, you have a fourth screw, okay, over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 screws that we needed to remove. And from that point on, you remove the glove box. Now, remember how I said that our mechanism that prevents the glove box from going down is broken? This is because it's missing one clip here. Okay, the clip should be attached. It will be kind of like, okay, if I insert that screw now, okay, I want to show you just what is going to happen. We should have a clip there, but let me just show you quick. Okay, if we have the screw now, how it pulls the mechanism, it activates the light and it doesn't prevent the glove box from going down too fast and to break. So you can see everything is out, guys. So you know how to do it. That light, it's supposed to stay right here. You can see just like that, but this one came loose as well. So once we guys remove the glove box, okay, let me explain now, okay, where that sound amplifier is located. Okay, it's not very convenient location, to be honest with you, but check it out now, right here in the corner, guys. This black box right here, this is your sound radio amplifier, guys, right here. So how you guys remove that thing now? Okay, I'll just explain because it's not too complicated. You need to, guys, okay, you have four screws that you need to get loose. One here, one under that cable, one towards there, and one on the bottom that you're going to access, okay, through here. Okay, you can kind of see it, okay, by the airbag there. So once you guys, okay, get these 4 screws just loose, you don't even need to take them all the way off. Once you get them loose, okay, check it out how it's a big hole here, right? You're just going to slide it forward, disconnect the wire, and you're ready to go, guys. Not very complicated. From that point on, you can get to it and you can do it yourself pretty easy, but we just wanted to show you where it's located and what needs to be done in order to remove it and replace it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.